Hello and welcome. My name is Jody Bradley. I just want to introduce you to EES Aviation Services. If you'd like to follow me. Now this is the nerve centre of EES Aviation, and this is Lucy, the office manager and co-director. Hello Luce.
Hi there, welcome to EES.
Perfect. And as you can see, we have facilities here, coffee, tea, Wi-Fi, happy customers. Morning John.
Hi.
Hello, there's John. And what I'm going to do now, I'll take you round to the workshop. What we have here is Dano and Josh working on a customer's kit fox. Morning boys, how are we? Beautiful. Then we follow through, we have two composite bays. This first of two, sorry. How are you doing, Danny? Yeah, very well, thank you. So Danny's the second composite bay, and we go through out of there to Nat, who's working on an Emerald. This has had a full overhaul and it's refinish. He's reassembling it now. How are you, Nat? Awesome, it looks really good. Good. And then we have a special piece, which is the long ease, and this is Richard, the managing director.
Mainly control surface mass balance issues.
Right.
So the only way we could actually cure the job in the end was actually to completely rebuild the control surfaces from new, and we managed to do that, and we're now getting to the stage where we've got an aircraft that's almost ready to fly.
Wonderful.
So,
it's exciting, isn't it?
it will be. It'd be nice to see it fly. It's been a long project.
For sure.
So,
Beautiful. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll leave you in peace, Richard. We're going to go through now to the spray booth. Like I say, it's 11 metres long. We can fit large aircraft parts in here. We go through, they're just preparing now. So we've got a technician here just working on the Emerald project, and these that we saw outside. So he's preparing these now, ready to go through. They'll be sprayed and ready to go back onto the aircraft. Okay, so we're based in the heart of Northamptonshire, easy access by road and also by air. From road we've got the M1, the M6, the A14. By air, interesting, we have a 900 metre flat grass, well drained landing strip for your use. We also do collection and delivery, offer lots of services for you. Guys, thank you for watching our small tour of EES Aviation Services. Hopefully we'll speak soon, and thank you again.